Isebe lezemfundo eRhawutini liphindile kwakhona labuyela eIvory Park liyokuvala esinye isikolo esisebenza ngokungekho-semthethweni. Isikolo iWisdom Private School sifumaniseke singenazo impepha zokusebenza.
We came along with the police, we came along with the municipality. So it's not the department alone. We are all here to clamp down. This school must close. They must just close. The school must close. We can't allow this situation. I mean, people can't move from once because we closed them from another side. They ran overnight to come this side.
Lesufi uthi uninzi lwabafundi kwezisikolo kuquka nootistshala ngabemi bangaphandle.
People don't have documents. They came into our country, don't have documents, and this kind of schools are not strict on documents. And secondly, because they don't have documents, they can't go through public schools, so they choose these particular schools.
Abazali bathi bengenalwazi ukuba esisikolo asibhaliswanga kwisebe lezemfundo.
I feel very sad. I'm so emotional at the same time because people
ask, where are you from? Where do you come from? Which school were you at? And I'm very proud to say that I am a former learner of Wisdom English Private School. So I'm very devastated and sad because I also have my little sister who is currently attending this school and I don't know what her future might be.
Isebe lezemfundo eRhawutini lithi lizabathumela abantwana kwezinye izikolo ezisemthethweni.